One of the most popular areas of psychology today is called positive psychology, which studies how living a fulfilling life can serve to better mental health. Much of the research positive psychology involves focuses on how a person's happiness affects the rest of his emotional and even physical well-being. But what exactly is happiness? In his excellent book, Emotions Revealed, psychologist Paul Ekman suggests that there are as many as 16 different sorts of positive emotions, ranging from excitement and optimism to relief and contentment. If there are so many different sorts of happiness, what does our Bryson mean when it includes simcha as one of the means through which one achieves true Torah scholarship? It is interesting that the number of ways the Bryson lists totals 48. The Vilna Gaon, in his commentary to the book of Mishlei, points out that this number corresponds in gematria to the word chayil, which means virtuous or excellent. The Bryce is telling us that excellence is comprised of 48 different components, one of which is simcha. So what sort of happiness contributes to excellence? Rabbi Samson Raphael Hirsch, in his commentary to Pirkei Avos here, identifies this emotion as a simcha shel mitzvah, or the bliss one receives from carrying out God's commandment. He writes that a student of Torah wisdom must have not only ema, yira, and anava, earnestness, reverence, and modesty, but also a happiness which will make him rejoice in his every spiritual advance in understanding Torah, a joy which will keep his spirit alert and quick for the arduous climb upon the steep road to wisdom. Rabbi Hirsch teaches us that this is a happiness derived from a resilient eagerness, a perpetually fresh passion to develop further. So how do we achieve such joy? Perhaps the first step is to work on our optimism, the sense that we have much to be proud of and to look forward to in our quest to learn and know Torah. Positive psychology says that optimism can in fact be cultivated. For example, by focusing on the things for which we are grateful and viewing setbacks as temporary and victories as permanent accomplishments, we can become more resilient. We can bounce back from our lesser happy moments. The Gemara in Pesachim tells us that Hashem's Shekhinah does not dwell among those fraught with laziness, depression, frivolity, or lightheadedness, or idle words, only amidst simcha of a mitzvah. Through working on our attitudes about mitzvos, our optimism about living an observant Jewish life, we can merit God's blessings and achieve yet another of these methods of becoming genuine Torah personalities.